was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly, made something out of nothing.
What it do, man? 78 Chevy Board presents the 4th annual Connect and Never Compete Car and Bike Show going down May 31st at the Lander Center in Southaven, Mississippi from 12 to 8. Roll-in judging from 12 to 4:30. Giveaways and trophy ceremony at 6 o'clock, man. You do not want to miss it. Big giveaways. Come on out, enjoy the vibes, and have fun. Stay tuned for more details. May 31st. Mark your calendars. YouTube. What it do, man? We out here. We out here with the Honda, man. 09 Honda. The one for sale. Shout out to Big Mike, man. Big Mike and me are gonna be putting this one together and have it up ready for sale, man. I purchased it last week. And Big Mike, y'all know he do body work, repair, he do body work and repair as well, man. And so I teamed up with him on this one right here because I'm putting this one up for sale. And he already was on it, man. Like the next day, after I bought the car down here, he came out here and checked it out and everything. So, man, he already done jumped on. He went and found the 2 tail lights, the trunk piece, this little plastic trunk piece that goes in the inside. Of course, I'm gonna detail the car up myself. He got the bumper too. He ended up finding a trunk, man, same color, man. Same color. That ain't nothing but a blessing right there. He found the bumper, but it gotta be painted, man. He gonna spray the bumper for me and put it back together. Put it back together, man. This one will be up for sale coming soon, man. It has some I don't know, these 15s or 16s or what. Let me see. Man, it's dark over here. My phone on charge. Look like 17s. Like some 17s. Look like it. Hold on. Yeah, it's a 17. 17-inch wheels. Sunroof. 4-cylinder. Nice. I showed it to y'all, man. So we gonna I'm gonna detail this baby up. We're gonna put brakes and rotors on it too. Brakes and rotors. See, these rotors got grooves in them, man, real thin. Brakes shot. So we're gonna do brakes and rotors. Tires like new. Tires like new all the way around. Real talk. Fresh oil change. Fresh oil change. I got it. I just bought that down here. I'm gonna come down here and do the oil change on it. I forgot to get the air filter. I can look it up. Get the air filter for it, man. And yeah, we're gonna have a nice one up for sale, man. We're gonna have a nice one up for sale. Really just did light damage. See, it hit this bumper. It hit the hollow part. It didn't even bend the bumper support or nothing, man. This wall back here, none of this bent. So it's gonna be a good one. Somebody gonna get a good one, man. Pressure wash the motor off. You can tell they took care of this car too. Man. Yep, normal little wear and tear. Yep, new battery, die-hard battery in that joint. Oil looking good, far as it was topped off with oil. Gotta look under the car. I know on my trailer when I drove it back, pulled it back with the trailer, wasn't no leaks under the car. You know what I'm saying? I just checked the oil. It was full. Let me see. I ain't got my knee pads with me. Well, I got something in the back of the Element. No leaks, man. None. No leaks. That's a good thing. That's definitely a good thing. could take this air filter off now. Look like it just got. Look like it got clamps on it. Let's see. Dang, I hit something. Man, what I threw my head on? On this hood. Rubbed it on this hood. Let's see. Is it just 3 spots? It might be just 3. Yep. Shoot, that look like it got a pretty clean filter in it. No, it's dirty. It's dirty. Definitely gonna find another filter for it. Phone in the car. But I can remember how it looked though. 8303. Make sure it's the right one. Now, how did I take that sucker out? Out like this. Yeah. Man, we had a good ride yesterday, man. Went down to Tupelo. Good ride, boy. But yeah, man. Everything looks good, man. On my first purchase to sell. Like I said, I'm gonna have it clean and ready to go. All systems check. Make sure. Like I need some brake fluid though. Yep, need some brake fluid. In the brain. Matter of fact, I might run down here now and get some might run down here now and get some, but I know I got some at the house. No, should it be? I need to go get my flashlight. Hold on, y'all. We'll be right back. Yeah, when I got my my flashlight, man. Yep, it's a little low. Cause it's showing like in between minimum and max. So I'm gonna put it all the way back up on the max. And with these Hondas, you gotta have Honda certified fluid. No, that's what they used to say. This John say use only .3 or .4 brake fluid from sealed container. This one don't say have Honda fluid. That's different. Cause I know in mine that mother says use only Honda grade fluid. So that's a new one, man. That's a new one. Yep. I'm gonna blow all this out. A lot of little leaves and stuff down up in here. Yep, turned it on. AC work, heat work. Yeah, man. Everything looking good. I'm gonna have to check my power steering fluid, make sure that's full. Yep. Check all that. Man, I can't wait to put this one on the market, man. I can't wait. Put it on the market and sell my first car, man, as far as, in this car selling thing, car selling business. I done sold my stuff before. Of course, my personal cars. But I bought this one to sell it. I ain't trying to get rich or nothing, just something else I want to dibble and dab into, and try it out, man. I might like it, man. Honestly, and I ain't just saying this because I know people that sell cars and been doing it a while, man, but This actually been on my mind, man, like 10 years. I told y'all I'm a procrastinator. And, you know, God just spoke to me the same way he did when I was about to sell the, when I was about to start doing the car show. My first car show is like God spoke to me. Like, it's time. So with no hesitation the other week, I told my partner, I said, man, I'm ready to buy me one, you know. And we got on there and looked and stuff, and I told him the one I wanted, and you know, the one I wanted to try to bid on, and if I can get it, certain price, I was gonna try to get it. So I didn't get it cheap as I wanted to get it for, but you know, I got it. So it's a nice car, and it's gonna turn out good for me and somebody else. You know, make a little profit. Man, I don't really care as long as I'm $300-400 in the green, man. As long as I ain't in the red, lost no money, I don't even care, man, because I'm just starting off. I'm gonna get better with it, better selection of car. But this is a Honda. You're gonna pay more for a Honda than you will a little Ford Focus or a Ford Taurus or Impala. You're gonna pay more for a Honda Accord, Toyota Camry, Honda Civic, Toyota, what is it? What's under the Camry? The Sentra. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna pay more. So I just wanted to start off, man, with a nice vehicle, and this is nice. I'm gonna detail this sucker myself. I'm gonna detail it myself, man, and get it up to par. But I'm definitely gonna get some .3 or .4. I got that at the house, so ain't no need me going to buy none. I'll bring something there from the house. Let me tell Siri. Let me make me a reminder. I still got my headset on. Yep. Yep. Still connected to the car. I got my car switch on. Take .3 or .4 brake fluid. For the Honda. Got it. But yeah, that's what we on, man. I told Mike to take some videos, man. You know, when he working on it, so I can incorporate those in the videos that we that we capturing this on, you know. So hopefully Big Mike take some videos. He sent me the one when he first bought the the parts, tail lights, trunk and stuff. So I'm probably just gonna chill down here for a minute, overlook the car a little more, put some new windshield wipers on it. No small stuff. You got these wind visors on here. Yep. Yeah, man, I'm excited about it. Drop down in the comments, man, if y'all excited for me. Yeah, man, drop down in the comments if y'all excited, man. Excited for me, you know, trying something new. See where we go. See where we can go with this. We're gonna see what it do, man. Yes, sir. 78 Chevy boy. Make sure y'all keep it locked, man. This ain't the last video we gonna do of this. You know what I'm saying? This is not the last video. So until the next one, stay humble, stay prayed up, stay out the way, man. Much love. All right.
My Civic, I'm keeping it my Civic, I'm bouncing in my Civic, I'm riding in